how to make $150 by just mailing flyers from home. Hey, my name is Karen Munasingh, and welcome to my channel. This channel is dedicated in sharing with you all how you can start making money working from home. I've been in the network marketing industry for some time. So I'm no longer in it because it wore me down. So if you've ever been in a direct marketing company, you understand what I'm saying. So network marketing actually kind of gave me the passion to pursue making money from home, to pursue online marketing. And today I want to share with you all a concept that I think it's rejection proof, I guess, if you would. So with this, it's called direct mail marketing. And basically what you do, you partner up with a direct mail company, and what they will do, they have different levels that you can buy into. And from my perspective, this is a very low cost industry to get started. This one, you can start from up to $100. You start investing $100 all the way up to possible $2,000. It just depends on your work ethic, how much you're willing to put in and what you're willing to receive as a payout. So direct mail-in basically means you partner up with a company, right? And what they do in turn for your membership, they will mail you out stacks and stacks of leads. And these are called buyer's leads. And with buyer's leads, these are leads who says, hey, I want to know about an opportunity that I can work from home. So they are hungry. They want this opportunity. Now, compared to network marketing, we were taught to go out to all of our friends and family and go push on them our products. But the failing point of that was not everyone wanted what you were selling. So you have to figure out if they wanted it or not, and then say, hey, I have a product here, you can test it out. But that's not what we were taught back in the days. We were like, go to everybody that you know, go through your phone books, give them a call, tell them that you're in this business, and they will join. That was so not the case. So I got burnt out. And a lot of network marketers got burnt out. So, I still decided to stay online because network marketing kind of gave me that knowledge that, hey, there's other ways that I can make money outside of my job. A lot of people I'm hearing this 2020, they're complaining. They're tired of getting up, going to a 9-to-5 job. They feel like they have no purpose. So why not decide to figure out how you can work from home, how you can become your own boss, how you can start building wealth for your family versus building wealth for someone else who all they're going to give you is a paycheck. So if you are ready to be in profit, I'm telling you, starting a business online is the way to go. Jobs are great. They're great to get you started, but don't solely rely on your job, because one day your boss is going to piss you off and you're probably going to say one day, I'm done. What do you have to back up? So I guess I went on a little rant right here, but direct mail basically means you're partnering up with a company. They're sending you leads. So these are hungry leads. These are leads who are tired of working 9-to-5. These are leads who are tired of leaving their families, leaving their kids at daycare. These are leads like, hey, I'm ready. All I need is to get something like this in the mail. So with Impact Mail-In Club, that's a company that I decided to partner up with. They will send you out once you join in with their membership, and there's several different plans. Once you do that, they'll send you all these leads, and all that you have to do, put the work in, is to mail these out on a consistent basis, and you can start earning $150 each time. So guys, don't sit on this. There are ways that you can make money, and this is one powerful way. This is one rejection-proof way, because when I was in network marketing, oh my God, my heart was crushed when I went to my friends and family and they rejected the heck out of me, saying, no, I don't want what you're selling, Karen. No, I don't call my phone again and tell me you have no big get rich quick business to do, because I don't want it. And that really crushed me. So again, I invite you guys to look into partnering up with me, and you can see the link below. Just click on the link and I will get you the information that you need to get started. So with that being said, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.